Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to clear the "you are not eligible" error message you are getting from your Aqua protocol. The first thing you need to do is to head into your Telegram app. Okay, once you head to your Telegram app, you click on the Aqua protocol borrowing on Ton channel. You subscribe to the channel if you are not yet subscribed to the channel. Once you have subscribed to the channel, you will see this message that is showing you like attention, important information for you to receive the drop. So the first criteria that they listed here is that you need to subscribe to the channel. Once you have subscribed to the channel, then you will also see that there's a direct link for you to like access your bots from the group chats. Then you have to just click on it. Okay, so after clicking on it, we'll just wait for it to load. My network is kind of poor, sorry. So it has now loaded. Then you have to launch the farming app. Okay, so while this is loading, you just be patient. Okay, once it's done loading, you'll be able to access your Aqua protocol points you farmed, and yeah, you can see it's simple and short. It's not really a deep process. I hope that you find this tutorial helpful for those that are not eligible to claim their Aqua protocol. I'm telling you that once you follow this process, you'll be able to access your Aqua protocol points that you farmed so far. And please don't forget to connect your wallet after doing so. Thank you for watching. Support my channel by subscribing and liking this video, and also share with your friends that has the same issues with you. Thanks for watching. Bye.